Now, this is fifth lecture of the laser. I am Dr. K.C. Jain and we will discuss now the second part of laser. The full form laser is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. This is the full form of laser. Light LASER. In these four lectures, we have discussed completely about stimulated emission, and now we will discuss the light amplification. Light amplification. This light amplification, as in first lecture, we have discussed that it is highly intense light. Highly intense light means intensity is very high. Intensity is very high. Obviously, amplitude must be high. Amplitude will be very high. So how we can increase the amplitude of this laser? That is the point, and that is known as light amplification. So this is done by two ways. One is that STEM photons, that photons produced in stimulated emission is always in same phase with incident energy or light. So if the photons produced in stimulated emission and the incident energy both are in same phase, then obviously the amplitude will increase. As we know in interference chapter, amplitude will increase, or we can say the intensity will increase. So first is that is by same phase. The first point is that is same phase, and the second, that is important, that is we are discussing this with optical cavity technique. Before discussing this technique, we will perform an experiment. Suppose there is no light in room and we put a candle here. We will see the intensity, that what will be the intensity in the room. In second case, that already we have that light is not there in the room and we put a candle in front of a dressing table or a big mirror. What we have, that in this case there will be more light, more intensity in the room. Why? Because the photons emitted from this candle will get multiple reflection by this big mirror, and the photons will be reflected multiple times and the intensity will be increased. So the multiple reflection is used to create the high intensity. So here the optical cavity technique is used to create the high intensity, or we can say the optical cavity. It is also known as optical cavity technique, which is used to increase the intensity of light. In this case, what we have, that suppose we have taken as the active medium. Active medium means the material which will use for the laser action. It is active medium. So in first, that is these faces, the end faces are of, it is a three-dimensional thing. So end faces are hemispherical capsule type shape. This A and B face, hemispherical, and this A part is 100% reflectivity, that no photon reflectivity, and this is 90% reflectivity, that no photon will be pass from this side and all the photons will pass from only B side, because the 90% reflectivity is there. So what happens, that suppose in first diagram what we have, that When laser action starts, the photons will be produced, stimulated emission, and the direction of these photons will be random. That in all direction these photons will be there. This first diagram, that in all directions photon will be there. It is A and it is B. Now this is 100% reflectivity, this has 90% reflectivity. So in second they will start moving photons, and they will, suppose they are moving this side, then from the reflection of this side, that is 100% reflectivity, the photons will change their direction in this way. Again some of the photons will move in another random direction. So what we can say, that it is completely random direction. Here some photons are aligned, and in third diagram what we have, that almost all photons will start traveling this side. Almost photons are aligned. It is again A and B. And in next diagram we can see that all the photons will move in this direction, and we will have this from this side laser. So due to multiple reflections, intensity is increased, and it is known as the optical cavity technique. In this technique both things are there, that the capsule type shape is there at A and B ends. This hemispherical shape, this has 100% reflectivity, this has 90% reflectivity, and due to multiple reflections these photons will be amplitude will be increased, and hence the intensity will be increased. So this way we can increase the intensity of photons by the optical cavity technique.